This is a quick video that's going to show how incredibly easy it is to remove the background of a photo or image to be used in Canva when you're making a fun story or anything else. So I've got up here just from my Google Photos a picture of my cat, and so I can just, without even having to download this image to my computer, I can right click on it and hit copy image and then go back to Canva, right click, paste it in, and voila, I've got my cat. And once I've got my image there, you go ahead and click BG Remover, and in just a second or two, there we go, the background is gone off of that cat. And so I'm going to do this one more time, and I want to add now onto this image of my cat, I want to also make a story maybe about my cat and minions, because minions are some of my favorite movie characters. So I can just go to Google Images and type in minion and then go to images, and I'm gonna pick a minion that I like from here that I find. Uh, let's go with this guy. So once I've got that image up, I can right click on that one, click copy image, go back into my Canva window, right click, and hit paste. With that one, then I can hit BG Remover on there as well. And now I've got a minion and my cat ready to go on some sort of adventure in the picture that I'm making. What's really nice also is that once you've pasted those in, they automatically upload into Canva, so you'll see them in this Uploads tab that's conveniently right there to work off of the images you just pasted in. You are able to, from on every image, you could be moving things into folders and storing them in different folders if that made it easier for you to retrieve later. Or as you see here, there's different programs that can even sync up. So I guess in theory I could have my Google Photos all populate in here, but I'm happy to keep things separate for now.